Hello my fellow mermaids and welcome back to my channel. In case you didn't get it from the title of the video, I think my outfit is a pretty good hint of what I'm going to be doing today. And it's all about Star Wars. I'm wearing my lightsaber ears, my Baby Yoda spirit jersey, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Star Wars nails that I'll be wearing today. As many of you know, I'm a huge Disney fan and I've actually been watching Star Wars movies for a pretty long time. But I have to confess I haven't watched the last one, episode 9, because I wasn't able to see it in the movies. I know Disney Plus is streaming it today, so that's my plan for today. Watching, finally, Star Wars episode 9. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think they turned out really cute. And well, why wouldn't they? Because they were all about Baby Yoda, the cutest creature in the galaxy. Now, let's get into the tutorial. To begin with, you need to apply your base color. For my accent nail, I'm using Glam Polish's Mind Tricks Don't Work On Me, which was part of the Star Wars Day trio from 2018. I remember this was my very first Star Wars inspired polish, and it's still one of my favorites. The water decals I'm going to be using are these Baby Yoda ones from Stikers Luna. And all you need to do is cut the design you want, then place it in a bit of water and let it sit for about 10 seconds. I use a pair of tweezers to grab them, and as you can see, the design just slides right off the backing paper. I like using a clear stamper to apply my decals, since sometimes using my fingers can create wrinkles on them, and with the stamper you can just place it on top of your nail and press it down. Since my base polish is already dry, I like applying a sticky base coat so the decal can transfer without any problems. This time I'm using Cuticula's static base coat. After that, I just place the stamper with the decal on top of my nail, and once I like the position, I just press down the stamper so the decal can be transferred to the nail. To finish, I just go ahead and apply a glossy top coat so the design can last longer. This time, I'm using Whatsupnails glossy top coat. Now, let's go ahead and create the other design. And once again, I apply my base color and let it dry. This is Pahlish Little Green Child, which was inspired by Baby Yoda. For this nail, I'm going to be stamping a design from this Mundo De Uñas plate using a white stamping polish and the same clear stamper I used before. To stamp, all you need to do is apply the stamping polish to the design, scrape the excess, and then pick up the design with the stamper. After that, all you need to do is place the design on the nail and press it down so it gets transferred. And this is the final design of my May the 4th nails to celebrate Star Wars Day. And there you have it. I think this tutorial was really easy to make and really fun to do at the same time because all you need is basically a polish that you like. I chose, of course, a Star Wars inspired one and some water decals. As always, I will leave my Instagram page and all my other social media handles in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out of any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, have a bubbly day!